Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna make amaretti cookie. Okay, it's an easy, simple step recipe. I'm gonna walk you through it. First, you're gonna need almond paste, 1 pound 12 ounces almond paste, sugar, 1 pound 12 ounces sugar, eggs. You're gonna need 12 ounces of egg white, that's egg white, 12 ounces, and fresh lemon zest. You're gonna need 1 lemon zest. And as I said, this is a very easy, simple step recipe. Cream your almond paste and the sugar, and then after you cream the almond paste and the sugar, then you just add the egg white. The egg white, if it doesn't cream, you can just add the egg white to it, and it will basically slowly add a small portion of egg white, and it will basically cream. And you just put it on a slow speed, and just after you mix the butter, everything, then you add the lemon zest last, because the lemon zest have a lot of acid inside of it, so it basically will mess up the whole process of you mixing. It's not gonna be nice and puffy, I would say. So after you mix it, you take it off and you mix it thoroughly all the way to the bottom. Make sure you scrape the bowl and mix everything in, because this happened to me once when I was just making this thing. I just take it off. I was in a hurry and I didn't scrape the bowl to make everything incorporate, and then it didn't rise a lot. It was basically I would say it was basically not, it was kind of flat a little bit. But this recipe that I gave you, it's very simple. It's just basically quite a few stuff in this recipe. Is not that bad at all. And as you can see, I'm folding the egg yolk, the egg white, I mean, sorry, and basically, make sure it's, mix, incorporate. And once you finish, you just basically gonna load it up in a piping bags, and after you finish, put it in a piping bag. You can see the mixture is very smooth. You want to mix everything smooth, and you just pipe on a flat sheet pan, and in a nice, I would say like in a 25-cent size. And after you finish with that, you want to basically put like let it sit out for a while. After it sit out for a while, then you bake it at 350 or so. It's a very easy process, but for this process of mixing, you don't need to, I would say you can bake it at 325. 325 is a good temperature to bake this. I would suggest you should bake it at 325. And the minutes, you can give it 7 to 10 minutes, no more than that. Because you don't want to under bake it too, also, because after you leave it out, it's gonna get soft and smushy. So as you can see, I'm gonna pipe. After I pipe it and let it sit out, then you're gonna add a small almond flakes on top of it. But if you have would say, if you don't have almond flakes, you can basically grind up the almond and just basically put it on top. It will work pretty good. The same. When you pipe in this, always remember to don't push down too much on the your product, because if you push down too much on it, it's gonna be flat a little bit. So you want to keep it nice, push pipe and pull up and you will get a really better result. And this recipe give you 100, but if you don't need 100, I would suggest you should divide this, and it will give you basically 50. But if that 50 is too small, you can, divide it, again, and you will get a small portion. And as you can see, it's just 1 pound of everything, but that's a lot of small little cookies. So I suggest not to do so much. And coming to the final stage, this is a final baking process. This is how it look like, as you can see. And that's golden brown. It looked like French macaroon, but it's pretty close, you know, because I use a fresh egg whites. You can use fresh egg whites or the one in the box, doesn't matter. And that's the final baking. Once they bake, they should look like this. And this is how it should look like. As again, it's you pipe it as a like a quarter, and it's gonna puffed up after you finish, and spread a little bit, but you don't need to um, pipe it bigger than that. That's the perfect amount, I think, I would say. So I want to say this video is coming to an end. Thank you so much for stopping by my page. And if you have any problem making this recipe, please shout out to me. I'm more happy to help you out. Please like and share this video if you think this video was very helpful. Thank you so much. All right, peace. See you in the next one.